Hey Charmers, Darlene here. I'm super excited because today I'm teaching you guys how to do this makeup look with no foundation. Yes, sweetie, this whole face, no foundation. So if you want to learn which products I use and how to achieve it, then just keep on watching. All right, Charmers, so I'm gonna start with my eyes just because depending on how intense my eyes turn out, then I know how crazy I should go on the skin, if you know what I mean. For that, I'm going to be using the Venus 3 palette. It's beautiful, love the packaging, and it has a very nice range of tones between cool and then you have your warmer tones and also some pops of color. So that's what we're gonna use. So I'm gonna start placing that color Bliss right in my crease, and I'm literally just pressing that color to get the most pigmentation. Now that I have that, I'm just gonna start blending that color out. Now that we have that, I'm gonna use a mix between the color Beam and Heavenly, and I'm just going to apply it with my finger, nothing too crazy, all over my lid. Ooh, cute. Oh, that is really pretty. All right, Charmers, I'm loving what I have so far, but these earrings have to go, baby. They're not matching. I'll be right back. All right, Charmers, I am back. Earrings are matching. We are ready to continue. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown in the outer corner just to make it a little more smoked, you know, a little more smoky situation going on. I'm gonna use the color Ecstasy, and again, just in the outer corner to give it a little more depth. Once you have that color, then I'm gonna go back to my blending brush and just diffuse the edges a little more. And remember, you can make this as dramatic or as simple as you prefer. Okay, so now for the skin, I am going to use concealer only. I'm not gonna use foundation. I actually really love this technique. The whole point of it is for you to pretty much conceal those areas where you need it the most. And a good trick for that is to go with a concealer that is close to your skin tone, maybe one shade lighter than your skin tone, and just apply it on those areas that you need it the most. So I'm gonna do my under eye because God knows I need it. I'm going to do a little bit on my chin, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and also around my nose because I typically get like a lot of redness on that area. And by the way, my skin is already primed. So as you can see, my entire concealer is already blended, but you can still see areas on my skin where I actually don't have any product, like for here. For instance, right here, you can see I have a little blemish. That's okay. Because again, the whole point of wearing no foundation is for your skin to look more natural and actually look like skin. Once I have that, I am going to apply some cream contour. You don't have to do this, by the way, but since I am working with no foundation and the concealer is like a creamy consistency, it looks a lot more natural if I apply a contour that is also in a creamy formula. All right, Charmers, I went ahead and set my under eye with a little bit of translucent powder. You don't have to do this if your skin is more dry, but since I have oily skin, I really need to set that concealer. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply mascara. For that, I am using the Damn Girl mascara by Too Faced. And I'm just gonna do 2 coats because I'm not applying falsies. You can totally go ahead and apply falsies if you'd like, but I'm going to keep it more simple and just apply 2 coats of mascara. Okay, so now that my lashes are looking fabulous, I'm going to apply the Cab lip oil. I'm actually very excited because my lips are very dry. So an oil comes in very handy, and it has a very nice scent as well, but not overpowering. And now to finish my creation, of course, I'm gonna use the MAVEN Beauty. This is the Rose Water Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna bless my face, sweetie. I'm ready. All right, Charmers, and this was everything. I really love the way it turned out. I hope you tried this technique. This is a great alternative for those of you who want to try something perhaps a little bit lighter on your skin. If you want to show your natural freckles, your blemishes, just love your skin the way it is, this is the tutorial for you. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.